welcome back. So we've let the beakers cool and I've set up this apparatus. This is called a Buchner funnel. And actually we're gonna use a physics phenomenon called Bernoulli's principle. And I'm gonna turn on the water over here so that the water will create a low pressure system. It'll make our filtering a whole lot easier. So here's my watch plate and my glass wash plate, my filter paper, which I've already weighed out, if you saw that in the beginning. And so I'm gonna wet it down a little bit. If you wanna get zeroed in a little bit more on me. All right, on what's going on in here. And this process is gonna go really quick with that Buchner funnel. So I'm gonna filter out all the solids that I can. Okay, and then we're going to keep doing this and keep rinsing it until I get all the solids from the beaker into the funnel and into the watch, or the watch glass, and the filter paper actually. So we'll let this funnel do its thing. Hopefully it is filtering faster than what it is. It's going, it's coming down. If you want to zero in on this, you'll see what's happening. We're almost done actually, we're getting there. So if you can see, zero in on the top, we're almost done filtering. All right, so there is my product. That's my solids, and that's what we're going to weigh when it's dried, okay? That's what we're gonna weigh when it's dried, okay? So I'm gonna turn off this, and I'm gonna take it out. All right, and I got my watch plate wet, but that's okay. We're gonna let the whole thing dry. And so here is my product. Now remember, if the copper sulfate is the limiting reactant, then I'm gonna have leftover iron. And I'm gonna look for, do I see anything different in here? So zero in. Does it look like it has different things? It looks pretty homogeneous to me. I don't know. And if you zero in again on the liquid, it's very, very blue. All right, so that's the copper sulfate. And watch what I do with this copper sulfate. Everyone, zero in on this. I am going to put it down the drain. All right, so that's where my copper sulfate is gonna go. So I'm gonna do the whole thing, whole thing again. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna use a different Buchner funnel. I'll use this one. All right, so here's this one. Here is my other, the paper there. So that you should have written down, that was your 18.36, my massively empty watch glass and filter paper. That's now beaker 2. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna turn on the water. Hopefully you won't get too wet here. All right, and then wet this down real quick. I'm gonna hold it down, so hopefully the Bernoulli's principle is gonna do its thing again. And now I'm gonna take the contents of beaker 2. Folks, I don't see any blue in there. I don't know about you. And I'm gonna put it in here. And again, I'm gonna filter. I'm gonna get out all the solids. Now if you can zero in on it, you can kind of see there's some silvery solids at the top. Well, what do you think those silvery solids are? Do you think it's copper or do you think it's iron? Well, I don't know, but I don't think copper is very silvery. I don't know about you. Oh, look at all that silvery solid that's still on top. All right, so I also do see copper in there. I do see that brown stuff. All right, I'm gonna make this go a little bit harder. I don't wanna be here all day doing this. All right. And it's gonna go a little bit faster now, all right? So when this is all done draining, I'm gonna do the same thing and we're gonna dry it. Okay, maybe I'll pause.